Hi YouTubers, this is Doreen from Durban's Fashion House presenting you with a very beautiful project today. Again, a dollar store hack to achieve this beautiful fan, beautiful elegant fan when you go out, something that when you dress up, you look elegant, you carry with you. Also, we use this traditionally in Africa for weddings. The bride could hold this or the bridesmaid. Let's get to the project. Here I have thread, I have scissors, I have a glue gun, I have glue gun sticks, I have the fan, and I have satin lining. I have also this beautiful diamond studs replica that I got from the dollar store. I'm going to be using it. So let's get into the project. So I'm fixing up my workspace because I have a beautiful tablecloth on. I don't want my glue to go to it. So for the purpose of this video not being very long, I'm not going to strip the fan off. I'm just going to do my project on this sheet of paper here. So the first thing that you will do is you get your lining, put it underneath, and try to trace it out. Trace it out by holding it down so that so let me go straight ahead and do that. Actually, I have done one before, so I'm just going to put it on it and trace it. I don't want to do a long video, so. I'm going to use my zigzag scissors so the fabric should not fray. Okay, having finished with that, I'm going to toss this to the side, and I have two fabrics. So one is going to be in front and the other one is going to be to the back. So I start off by gluing the frontal part to this. Actually, we're going to do this together because that's not the way I did that one. But for the sake of video, I don't want to make a very long video. So you flip it over and glue it down. Turn it around. And follow the lines. I'm putting it first on this before I put it on this strong plastic because it would grip better on the cloth. So that's the way it looks like. So I'm going to finish it here, tuck it in very nicely. So one side is already done. I'm going to do the other side. So you do the same thing like we did before. You put the glue in between. And follow the same steps to the finishing. You do it little at a time so that the glue does not get dry. So I'm going to use my no fray zigzag scissors to give that a beautiful cut at the end, so that looks like a design as much as it's going to cause the fabric not to fray. So I'm already done with doing that. I just want to make sure that they all are the same shape. I'm cutting it in line. I use my no fray scissors a lot, especially when I'm sewing. Helps me give me a good finish. So I'm locking all that in, gluing the both pieces of fabric together. Now I come to the end and try to seal this in by putting glue in the inner pouch pocket and sealing it, so that looks nice and straight. So I think I need to shape this a little bit more by cutting it closer to the edge of the fabric. So I'm still cutting out some of the fabric, the excess fabric from the lining. I'm cutting it out. So this is the way it looks like. This is the skeleton sealed in the front of the back and the back with the white fabric. So this is a black sash. This is $1.25. So what I'm going to do is I already threaded my needle. I'm going to do gathers on it to finish up my fan and make it elegant. So I start at the edge here. So I don't want them to be the same height. I want the frills to be of different heights. So I'm going to fold it over, and one side is going to be higher than the other. I don't know, I hope you see it. One side is higher than the other. Looks like this is a little far. Let me bring it closer. One side is higher than the other. So I'm going to do some big gathers on it with my needle and thread. This is a little long, so it takes a little bit of time to finish up with the gathers. But then after I'm done with this, you won't believe how nice this is. This is an organza sash, not the satin. The satin wouldn't stand up, so I discourage you trying to use the satin sash. I always use the organza sash. That's easy to pull together. If you have any questions, please type it in the comment section and let me know. If you need me to repeat something or to explain to you how I achieved it, I will do that. So